In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refer a candidate in Zoho Recruit. Referrals are one of the most powerful ways to help your organization find great talent, and Zoho Recruit makes this process straightforward. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Recruit account with the appropriate access. Once you're on the main Zoho Recruit dashboard, look for the navigation bar, usually at the top or on the side, depending on your layout. Here, you'll want to locate the section for referrals. This is where all employee referrals are managed and tracked. Click on Referrals to open the Referrals module. After the page loads, you should see an overview of existing referrals, along with an option to add a new one. On this screen, look for a button or link that says Refer a Candidate. This is your starting point for submitting a new candidate into the system. Go ahead and click on Refer a Candidate. A referral form will appear, asking for details about the person you want to refer. Take your time to fill in the candidate's information carefully. This usually includes basic contact details like their full name, email address, and phone number, as well as their current job title, company, and any other required fields. There may also be a section where you can upload the candidate's resume or CV. If that's available, make sure the file is up to date and clearly named before you upload it. You might also see a field for notes or comments. This is a great place to add context such as how you know the candidate, why you're recommending them, and any specific strengths or relevant experience they have. The more helpful detail you provide here, the easier it will be for the recruiter or hiring manager to quickly understand the candidate's background. Once you've completed all the required fields and double-checked that everything is accurate, click on Submit Referral. After submitting, the system will usually confirm that your referral has been recorded. To finish up, look for the highlighted area or button that appears after submission. Click on this highlight to review the referral you just created, make sure all the information looks correct, and see its current status in the system.